Hey everyone, Rebecca Austin here. I am a wellness advocate with doTERRA Essential Oils, and I'm here to show you how you can make your own diaper spray. Only a few simple ingredients, super safe for you and your little one. So this diaper spray is wonderful for those of you who use cloth reusable wipes. Wonderful for those of you who use the store-bought wipes, and sometimes you just need a little bit extra because it might be a major blowout. And also great for just on the go for wiping hands, face in restaurants and things like that. Super safe, you can feel confident putting it on your child's face. So you'll need a few ingredients for this. You're going to need to get yourself some spray bottles. This is an 8-ounce or a 12-ounce, either works. They recommend that you use a glass bottle. However, with a little baby running around, I don't trust myself. These things drop, so I still use the plastic. Okay. Okay. You want to hold the oils. So you're going to need a few ingredients to get started. First of all, you're going to need pure aloe vera, baby Castille soap. I use Dr. Bronner's, the unscented kind, and you only need a teensy bit of this, so a little goes a long way. Witch hazel, again, I like to use the unscented, as pure as possible. doTERRA's coconut oil. And then, I can't think of the word. And then you're going to need distilled water. Sometimes I use tap water if I don't have distilled water, or you can boil water. If you're going to use this spray solution within like a week or two, you should be fine with the tap water, but I still like to use distilled or boiled water. And then of course your essential oils. And the first recipe I learned from was lavender and orange, but today I'm doing lavender and kumquat because a lot of the citrus oils have the same like disinfectant, antifungal properties, and I just love the way kumquat smells. So you can kind of play around with it. Another oil you might want to use would be like lavender and tea tree, or lavender and frankincense. The lavender is very soothing. And then also something that's an antiseptic like the tea tree or the orange or the citrus. So let's get started. So I don't even own like a tablespoon or a teaspoon, so I just kind of guesstimate. For the aloe vera, the pure aloe vera, I guess Aloe wants that bottle, so we're gonna use this bottle. I use like a tablespoon. So I just kind of eyeball a tablespoon and pour it in. And I always store the aloe vera in the fridge. And then the witch hazel, about a tablespoon. And then the Castille soap, about a teaspoon. You don't want to use too much Castille, otherwise it gets super soapy. Remember, you can always go back and add more later. And then the coconut oil, just a couple drops. Or if you had a pump, about a pump. So you want to do 6 drops each of the oil. So today, like I said, I'm using lavender and kumquat. So I'm just going to do 6 drops. And sometimes if it loses its smell along the way, I'll just add more, even if it's like halfway gone. Oh, I love that smell. And then the kumquat, 6 drops. And then I'm going to add my water, distilled water in there, and leave room at the top so that you can put the pump in. And then you just shake it up and you're ready to go. Shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up. You smell it? Do you want to smell it? Smells so good. And again, like I said, so safe for you and your little one. And if you have any questions or you want to know how to get your hands on some of these yummy essential oils to learn how to start making your own non-toxic products, please just contact me. My email is austinrebecca11@gmail.com, and I'll get back to you personally. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Happy spraying. Woo. Shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up. Do shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up.